This is the main entrance. We're going in. There are people sitting. This is Ngai as a local kebang. As I know, I think Rani Pugiting centric oven. This is where the Rani army guard the cat. And this is the water tank built by our local people to come and drink. This is the main entrance. Now we have over here way to toilet. I'm not sure what kind of toilet is here. Way to American toilet, Western toilet. And this is where people come and sleep. And there is Tikarong. Tikarong haga bom dito. Anyone who visited, they write them in. So, I wanted to show you all